Hi Scott, my name is Brooke. I'm with Snowdrop Digital Marketing. In this video, I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks on how you can enhance your online presence. Um, Now, all of this information is free. If by the end of the video you decide that I have a lot to offer and help growing your business, feel free to reach out. We can schedule a short phone call and get started with that. Um, Now, I'm sure you're busy. I don't want to waste your time. I don't want to waste my time either. So I'm going to go ahead and get into this and give you some tips on how you can get more clients organically. Um, so the three things that we're going to talk about, a couple of them requires having a website. I saw that you have a link for a website, but it gives me an error code and it's no longer available. So if you are able to get that fixed or if you want a new one, these tips will definitely come in handy with getting new clients organically. So these three things will optimize your website for Google. It will enhance your platform and convert more customers, and it will get more traffic to your website. The first thing we're going to talk about is content. That is everything that you see on your page. That is the words, the images, what the image is saved as, and even the space behind the image. Google prefers that you have at least 1,500 words total on your homepage, and they want your keywords to be sprinkled throughout that content. What Google does is 24/7. They have web crawling bots and they read every single website all over the internet and they gather that information and they use that information to determine where to rank you when someone looks for a fencing company in Olathe. So about 95% of the time, whenever someone needs a service, they're going to Google it. The first thing that pops up are the Google guaranteed ads. These are higher in quality and they have a higher auditing process, but once you get in there, it really weeds out all of those spammy clicks. So it has a lower click rate, but the leads are more qualified. A lot of people have ad blockers on their search engine, so you could be missing out on quite a few prospects there. Um, I do see that you're on the first page of the GMB. To get at the top, you want to beat them by at least 50 or even 100 citations. A citation is a direct reference for your company's name, phone number, and address. You can get these on Facebook, Yelp, and LinkedIn. So the more citations you have, the better. So 30% of your business should be coming from your GMB, and the remaining 70% should be coming from the organic listing or your website. Okay, so I have a web crawling site. Since your website is not available, I'm going to compare, I'm just going to show you what your top three competitors in Olathe are. Um, so we're going to look at Heartland Fence. So they don't have an extreme amount of information on their page. They are being found for 48 keywords and they're getting 45 people on their website each month. 30% of that should be converted into real leads, or sorry, converted into sales. They have a low power and a high trust rating. So looking over here, they are not getting the best quality of backlinks. A backlink is like a popularity contest on the internet. It is where other websites are referencing your website for business. Not all backlinks are created equal and they must be relevant to your profession. So you want high quality over quantity. Okay, we're going to look at Superior Fence and Rail. They are not a local fencing company, but they do have a lot going on. I want to show you the difference in what they're doing. They have obviously been marketing for years. I'm sure you may not want to get as big as this company, but this is the possibility. I'm showing you all of these so that you can see how realistic it is for you to scale your business fairly easily and get ranked number one on Google and stop having to pay Angie's List for all of these leads that aren't extremely qualified and competing to get those leads because Angie's List isn't just selling you one lead, they're selling that one lead to you and other competitors as well. Okay, so this is a back page or a location page for this website. They have an extremely high power rating and a low trust rating. Their homepage is so powerful, they have to put in little to no effort for their back page to rank in Olathe. So if we take off the back page, so right now they're getting just 14 people on their website each month for Olathe, and then their homepage is getting, I think yeah, 45,000 a month. So this company is international. I'm just showing you the possibility of marketing. Um, and the here is ranked number 3 in the organic listing is Olathe. It's really important that you have your submission form right front and center so people can easily fill out what they need and keep going about their business. It doesn't look pretty, but it does have enough keywords up there. They're getting 22 people on their website each month. And again, they are not getting the most qualified backlinks. So, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. All of this information is free. You are more than welcome to use it yourself, or if you want to get on a short phone call, we will make that work. Thanks, Scott, and have a great day.